Hi, this is the final demonstration of the project here. This is the learning LED, IR receiver, IR transmitter. These are 18 keys. Then this is the connection for battery. This is microcontroller. Okay. Now we'll start programming it. Okay. I'll program this key for volume up and this is volume down. Okay. It is already programmed for volume up. I'll reprogram it. See, this blinking LED represents it is programming. Okay, now I'll press this. See, it is volume is going up. This is volume down. I have already programmed it. In this way you can program it, any functionality. Say I'll program this. So it is already 124 channel already programmed. So that is now going on. I'll program this key for 50 number channel, say 50. This blinking represents it is saving the data into its memory. Okay, now if I press it, 50 number, see the 50 number channel is coming there. Okay, it's already there. Okay. So already I have programmed this key, that's why the channels are changing. We program now this key for 4th number channel. See? Okay, now if I press this, see fourth number is coming up there. Okay, now if I go back here, 50 number again coming. This is for 50, this is 4. Okay, let's see what is there. This is volume down. I have earlier programmed. Say I'll program it for say 126 maybe 1, 2, 6. Maximum you can program three keys, 3 remote button keys on this remote single button, and you can do the functionality. See 1, 2, 6 it is coming. So now I'll change, go back to 4. Okay, 1, 2, 6. It is sending messages of first key, second key, fourth key. So you can program any functionality on any key. Say now there's nothing on this key. See, so I'll program this key to have a different functionality. Say power off remote as well as set-top box. This is remote. This is TV remote and this is set-top box remote. So I'll program this to have both off at a time. Okay, so while programming the TV got off, I have already made it on using this remote. Now if I press this remote, it will both set-top box as well as TV will get off. Okay, see both are off now. Now if I again press it, see both are on now. Set-top box is already on, TV takes some time to on. Now it is on. Okay, so in this way we can have any permutation combination. You can have multiple remote buttons on a single key. You can do anything, and if you have any questions you can ask. Thanks.